Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here today with another planner with me. Well, not playing with me, but playing with sketch notes. And we are in the book of Judges, and so there's 12 judges, but it's 3 that kind of stand out, so which is great because I usually do about 3 pages. So I don't know if I'm going to do Gideon, Samson, or Deborah, but I'll probably do one of those. And we can learn a lot from the book of Judges because a lot of it relates to our life, how we have these cycles of obedience and rebellion to our Lord. So I am going to start on one of those. I'm going to put you on fast forward so you can see me sketch out what it is I choose to sketch out. I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back with Samson, and of course I apologize if he looks effeminate, but you know, I can draw. So I just did his name, I just colored it in, I just wrote down some things that pertain to him, like hair, honey, Nazarite line. I spelled locks wrong, so forgive me. Philistines, riddles, blind, Delilah, he killed 1,000 Philistines, strength, lust, just some of the things that, you know, you think about when you think about him. Oh, I forgot to put a good judge. Duh. Gotta put that because that's who he was. So let's see. Oh my gosh, I sure did. I colored in part of the T. But anyway, I'm the judge. I put a little extra little in there that does not need it. But anyway, so that's just who he was. A man that was chosen at birth. And I want to put that in there too. Chosen. He was chosen at birth to be a Nazarite. And so I am going to date this. So these are just some of the things we think about when we think about Samson as a judge. And yeah, and I think I'm going to put up there how many years he served. So let's put 20 years. Because he was a judge for 20 years. And then today's date, 18, 21. Alright. So again, forgive me if he doesn't look masculine enough. I am not an artist. But anyway, so that is my version of it. And I will have a picture on my Instagram page, hzscribe. So thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing. I now dare you to read your word. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.